Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. I'm Gary, and today on Sandswept Journeys, we're going to give our Airstream a bath. So when I'm doing this, I like to use a soap cannon. This is the one that I use. I love this little thing. I've been using it for a while. And this is the Armor All version. It comes apart in two pieces. You simply pull this trigger back. This piece slides off. This attaches to your hose. You put your soap in here. I like to fill this thing up to right about the 15-ounce mark, and then fill the rest of the way with water. You have to put the water in gently because it will foam up, and then you simply connect it. Use the controls on top to put it on foam, making sure you have it set for the hose, and that's really it. Pull the handle, foam comes out. You detach this. This gives you a nice pressure coming out, just to spray it off. I use this to jet wash the pressure, get the dirt off first, and then follow it up to get the soap off with it as well. Now, is this the best way to wash the Airstream? I don't know. This is just how we do it. We are not professional detailers or Airstream or RV washers in any particular way. This is just how we do it, and we've always get great results. So I'm going to set this thing up and show you how it works. This is what I'm using. It's the Armor All 2-in-1 foam cannon. It's compatible with pressure cleaners as well as their garden hose. We're just using it on a garden hose and get good results. It works well with just about any foaming car soap. Very compact, very affordable. The soap I'm using is pretty clear, and it doesn't really translate well on camera. It's in there. You have to trust me on that. It doesn't show up well, but trust me, it's got soap in it. This just hooks on your hose just like any other nozzle, and when you pull the trigger, the water will come shooting out. So water, pull the trigger, water comes out. You don't have any other settings. It's either on or off, and that's it. It's straightforward stuff. I use this again, like I said, to jet wash the trailer, get as much of the dirt, surface dirt off as I can, and then I come back with the soap cannon. I simply attach it to here, start shooting foam it down, rinse it off well, and then come back, foam it a second time, and then I use a soft brush to get the rest of the dirt off. I'm going to go ahead and do that process now. I'm going to do it in time lapse, so you don't have to watch me wash the whole trailer, and just show you an example of how well this thing works and just what kind of coverage you can expect from it. Okay, so I'm going to let that soak for a couple minutes. I also want to bring up that if you're in a campground, make sure you have permission to wash your trailer. Not everybody lets you do it. Not all the campgrounds let you do it. So make sure you have permission. It's at a place where they allow you to wash your trailer. Well, we are here. It doesn't matter. We're allowed to do it. And I'm taking full advantage of that. So does this work like a real professional soap cannon? No, it doesn't. But it does give you a nice coating of foam. I don't know how it translated on the video yet. Hopefully you got to see it. But I'm going to go ahead and rinse this thing off now, and then put the second layer of foam on and start brushing it off. Let you see that process. Okay, so let's talk about washing the roof. I am going to get up there. It does require a ladder, and I don't get on the roof while I'm actually washing it. I just stand on the ladder and spray it down with the foam cannon like I do in the rest of the video. Let it soak for a second, rinse it off, foam it up again, and then wash that section. I use a brush. I'll use on a long handle. It just telescopes in and out, you know, so you can make it as long or short as you want. This is a good one that I have. I got it at a boat store. And just use your best judgment, because you're on a ladder, you're using soap, it's slippery. The two combined together could be a recipe for disaster if you're not using your best judgment and just being careful. So food for thought if you're going to get up there and wash your roof yourself. Okay, so there you have it. this whole side of the Airstream's washed. I just got to come back and dry it off. I'm going to do the rest of it. I won't bore you with that process. So here I'm using a blower. This is just a small Craftsman compact unit that I have. It takes a 20-volt battery, and it does a great job of getting the water out of all these tight areas and hard to reach spots. It also does a good job of getting the water away from those seams that tend to drip after you've dried the trailer off. I do follow this up with a soft towel or microfiber cloth, and just giving you an example of how we do it and what we use. This gives you a really good result and does help you to prevent scratches as you're drying off the trailer and getting that water off. But again, this is just how we do it. Just a great way to dry off the trailer. Little soap cannon, compact, easy to carry. Again, I'm not sponsored or in any way by this. I paid my own money for it. I just like it. It works great. I use it on my truck. I use it on the trailer. I enjoy this product, and it works well for us. So if you like this video, let me know. Give me a comment, throw me a like, maybe throw me a subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And really appreciate you watching the video. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, it's all about the journey.